Hello class 2, welcome to your value education class children. In the previous day we have already started with chapter 10 of your book, isn't it? And the name of the chapter was Believe in Yourself. As you will know that this is your book, isn't it? Inspirations for Life. Now what we were discussing, we were on page number 46 of your book chapter 10, page number 46 and chapter 10, isn't it? Chapter 10 and the name of the chapter is Believe in Yourself. Clear? Now we have discussed half of the chapter, so I think you have already taken a pencil. Take a pencil in your hand and open your book at page number 46. We will discuss page number 47 today in this class, but before we are we'll start with page number 47. Let me recap whatever we have learned. Okay, we'll recap whatever we have learned in the previous class. Clear? As the name of the chapter itself says, believe in yourself means you have to have confidence in yourself. You have to believe in you have to believe in your strength, isn't it? So as I have already told you, I have taken the example of Napoleon Bonaparte. What he said once, that impossible is a word found in the dictionary of fools, isn't it? It means that there is nothing like impossible, no word like impossible. If you have the strong determination, you can achieve your goal. If you have a strong determination to do something, to achieve something, then you can surely do that. So related to this, we have studied one, we have gone through one story also, isn't it? And the name of the story is Never Lose Hope. Never Lose Hope. So here what we learned about a boy who was 10-year old, and he was a very good sportsman, isn't it? And he had won many prizes in his school. Okay, and once what happened, there was an inter-school race to be held, isn't it? And where he found that he is not capable of achieving the first position, isn't it, due to the timing of the race. So he found that he's not capable and he lost his hope. And thereafter his the games teacher also encouraged him, but by saying that he can do it, isn't it, if he keeps on practicing. And his mother also said that she has got confidence in her on her son, and she assured her son that he can uh, win the prize in the inter-school race competition, isn't it? Till this much we have discussed in the previous class. Now today open your book, come to page number 47 of this book. This is page number 47. So here the mother was saying that, oh Rahul, don't be upset, I have confidence in you. Now page number 47, you will win the race. Mother said that you will definitely win the race. When they were discussing among themselves, just then they saw something happen in front of them. What is that? Let us study. So let me read it out loudly for you first, then I'll explain the paragraph to you. Just then they saw a small ant carrying a grain of sugar. It was trying to climb the wall with a grain of sugar, but it repeatedly failed. It kept on trying. Finally, it succeeded in reaching the destination. After seeing this, Rahul's mother said, Rahul, a small creature like this ant did not give up the hope of reaching its destination. Then how could you? You are human being, my son. You must not lose hope and courage. Now, when they were discussing, and when her mother found that her son has lost hope, isn't it? Just then she encouraged her by saying that she has got confidence on her son. And just then they saw something happen in front of them. What is that? They saw a small ant carrying a grain of sugar, and it was trying to climb up the wall. Okay, so every time it was trying to go up, climb up, okay, it was falling down. Okay, the ant was unable to climb the wall with the grain of sugar that it was carrying with him. Okay. So it was carrying it and wanted to climb the wall with the grain of sugar, but repeatedly he was failing to do so. But it kept on trying, but the ant did not lose its hope, and it was repeatedly trying to climb up with that grain of sugar. And finally, it succeeded in reaching the destination. And finally, the ant succeeded in reaching its destination. This means he could reach the top of the wall, okay, where its destination was. After seeing this, Rahul's mother said, Rahul, a small creature like this ant did not lose up the hope of reaching the destination. Then she was encouraging her son by giving the example of the ant, and she told that, see, ant is a very tiny creature, isn't it? Very small creature. So if it can reach its goal by trying hard, isn't it? By trying again and again, why can't you? Because you are a human being, isn't it? So you are a human being, my boy. You can do it. You must not lose hope and courage. You should not lose hope and courage. Okay. Then what happened? Hearing this, next paragraph. Hearing this, Rahul felt encouraged, and hearing the words of his mother, Rahul was encouraged, and he said, like the ant, I will also succeed. Then he said that like this ant, I will also succeed in my aim. I will try my best to win the race today. Mother, I will try my best to win the race today. Rahul said this to his mother. Then, as a result of this, what happened? He came first in the competition, and as a result of his hard work, as he kept on trying, and he was determined, that he will definitely get, as he has seen the hard work of the ant, isn't it? Encouraged by this, he said that he will surely win the race, and as a result of this, he won the race. Okay, and he won the first prize. Okay, he won the first prize in the race. The whole school praised him, and the whole school praised Rahul. His mother felt proud of him, and his mother felt very proud of her son. Okay, so this is the story. So what we have learned from the story, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we should keep trying until we succeed. Okay, the moral of the story is we should keep trying until we succeed. We should not lose our hope. Okay, so this is what you have to inculcate in yourself also. Okay, what we have learned is we have to inculcate this virtue in our day-to-day life, Fine. So never lose hope. Always believe in yourself. You should not lose your hope, and you must believe in yourself. Then surely you will get success in your life. Okay, this is the end of this chapter, and the question answers of this I will send through the link. Okay, so when you will open the link, you will get the attachment of the question answers. Okay, so thank you. You'll write this in the CW copy. Thank you and have a nice day.